we'll guide you through how to use the Namecheap Marketplace to buy or sell domain names. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're logged in, hover over the Domains tab at the top of the page and click on Marketplace from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see a wide range of domain names available for purchase. You can use the search bar at the top to find specific domains or browse through categories like trending or new listings. If you're interested in buying a domain, click on the domain name to see more details, including the price and any additional information provided by the seller. To purchase, click Add to Cart and proceed to checkout. Make sure to review the order summary and payment details before confirming your purchase. If you're looking to sell a domain, go back to the Marketplace page and click on List a Domain at the top right corner. You'll need to enter the domain name you wish to sell, set your asking price, and provide any relevant details or descriptions that might attract potential buyers. Once you've filled out the form, click Submit to list your domain. Keep in mind that you can manage your listings through the My Account section under Domain List. Here, you can edit, update prices, or remove listings whenever needed. Using the Namecheap Marketplace is a straightforward way to buy or sell domains, and with a little practice, you'll find it quite user-friendly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.